We have two new shades joining the Miracle Balm family, Pinched Cheeks and Cocoa Bronze. Hi, I'm Cheyenne, Senior Manager of Artistry and Education here at Jones Road, and I'm also Bobbi's personal makeup artist. I'm going to show you how to use both of them today, but first, let's check out Pinched Cheeks. If you love Dusty Rose and Flushed, you're going to love Pinched Cheeks. It's going to give you a little bit of illumination and a little pop to your cheeks. Pinched Cheeks is a beautiful rosy pink color that can be used on all skin tones as a blush. So I'm going to break down the Miracle Balms against Pinched Cheeks. So first we have Dusty Rose, and if you are someone who has really fair skin, this might be just enough color for you on your cheeks as a blush, but also you can be wearing Dusty Rose as an all-over tint. Pinched Cheeks has a little bit more pigment in it, so if you like a little bit more of like a rosy pop on your cheek, this is the one to go with. Then we have Flushed. This is a cool pink tone, and it doesn't have any shimmer in it. So Pinched Cheeks has a little bit of a multidimensional shimmer to give you a really pretty glow on the cheek. So I'm going to talk about two different types of shimmers. Pinched Cheeks has more of a multi-dimensional shimmer, which is more of like an illumination on the cheek. Happy Hour is a really pretty like ballerina pink with actual shimmer flecks in them that are silver toned. So Happy Hour is going to be more of your highlighter color, and then Pinched Cheeks would be like more of your blush and glow. When the team and I were on set with our models, we were looking at the Miracle Balm collection, and we just thought that something was missing. We needed a cool, plummy tone for an all-over tint, and that's how we created Cocoa Bronze. It's a deep, plummy bronze color that works for anybody with medium to dark skin tone. It's an all-over tint that you can also use to warm up the face. It looks really pretty on your lips as well. This shade is great if you love Sunkissed. Sunkissed is a warm bronze color, and Cocoa Bronze is a deep, plummy bronze. So Cocoa Bronze is a little bit more on the cool side, and Sunkissed is a little bit warm. Either one would work for you, just depends if you like a little bit more of a cool tone or a warm tone. Miracle Balm can be used in many different ways. It can be used without makeup, or you can do it with a full face of makeup. If you do use it with a full face of makeup, I recommend leaving Miracle Balm for the very last step. One, because of the texture. You'd never want to put powders on top of balms or any cream-like textures. It's always better to do powder first and then creams. And also, sometimes when you use powders, you feel a little flat. Miracle Balm is gonna give you some nice glow and a little pick-me-up to the skin, and it's a really nice finisher. Now let's talk about application. When you get your Miracle Balm, it's gonna be flat. So, in order to use it properly, you do have to break the seal. Push your finger all the way through. Once you've broken the seal, you only need a pea-sized amount, that much. You can always add a little bit more if you need it. Then, because Pinched Cheeks is a blush tone, you're gonna focus it on the apple of your cheek and up to your hairline. Do a couple dabs. You always wanna dab and press into the skin, and you're gonna pat, 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 pat. Then, whatever is left on my fingers, I'm gonna take a little bit on my temples, a little bit on my nose, and don't forget your lips. I personally really like to use my fingers with the Miracle Balm. I feel like the warmth of your fingers really helps manipulate this product into the skin. But if you need a little bit of help, I do recommend our Everything brush or the Skin brush. The Everything brush is a really nice buffing brush into the skin. So you would take your Everything brush, put it right into the product, and again, you just need this little amount. You could also use the Skin brush, and the same thing, you're gonna go into your product, use that small amount all over your face. So now I'm gonna show you Cocoa Bronze. We're gonna do the same thing, and we're gonna break the seal to warm up the product. You're gonna push your finger all the way through, and you're gonna warm up the product to activate it. Again, you don't need a lot, you just need about a pea-sized amount. This is an all-over tint. So you're gonna start on your cheeks, and then whatever's left on your fingers, that's what we mean that you can take it all over the face, down the neck and down the lips as well. Here are some tips for the Miracle Balm. You really only need to use the smallest pea-sized amount. You can always add on a little bit extra if you need. If you're not loving the texture of the Miracle Balm, don't worry. You might just be using a little too much product, Or if you're feeling too shiny or too greasy, just take a little bit of your face powder and dust it all over your face. It'll be a very easy fix. So because the Miracle Balms are a skincare makeup hybrid product, whatever is left over on your hands or your fingers, feel free to rub it in and really moisturize your body. They look really, really pretty and I always get so many compliments. Miracle Balm is an essential touch-up product that is just so great to throw in your bag when you need a little pick-me-up or a little bit of a lip color. It's gonna be your best friend. If you're ever in a pinch and you have really bad flyaways, feel free to take a little bit of your Miracle Balm and tame your flyaways. I never leave the house without this in my bag. So that's Cocoa Bronze and Pinch Cheeks. We are so excited to add these to the line, and you guys are gonna love them. If you're interested in the rest of the Miracle Balm collection, check out our website. We have an awesome quiz that even myself worked on to help you find your perfect shade. If you're near a store, come in and say hi. We have makeup artists trained that will be able to help you pick out your perfect shade. Again, you can wear multiple colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye!